Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And Mozilla Firefox crashing on startup. So guys, how to fix? So first click to start and type task manager. Task manager. Open this. Then full screen. Then find out the Firefox. This is Firefox. Just right click and click to end task. Okay, this is closed. You can see, check in the scroll down. Yeah, so it is closed. Then close this task manager and then click to start, type run, open it, then type this command Firefox space save comma mod and then click to OK. After that, click to refresh Firefox and again click to refresh Firefox and it will clean this and then click to done. Okay, yeah, so it will open it and then let's start tab with. Okay, so this is started and then close. Next, repair Windows file. Sometime what happened, corrupt your Windows file, that's why it's facing this issue. So click to start, type cmd, then right click to run as administrator, then click on yes, then type sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage for the restore your corrupted and your Windows files. So wait few seconds to complete and it will complete it, then restart your system because of this is compulsory, and then open the Firefox browser and then check it. Okay, thank you.